Reddit small business, there is a post where someone originally received had a complaint filed against their small business, and then they came back and they updated everyone as to what happened and the process. And this update was posted recently in December of 2022, and the original post was from 2 years ago. So what happened was there was a class action lawsuit filed against one very small business. And there were also complaints filed against other local competitors. And what happened was a lawyer represented a group of the competitors for a flat fee. And all the original poster said was that it was, quote, I believe a couple $1,000. And that was as long as it didn't go to trial. So it was one flat fee, a couple $1,000. And then he said that there were a couple months of negotiations with 1 to 2 Zoom mediation sessions, and that they settled for $5,000. And he said he originally declined $5,000, but the plaintiff moved for discovery, and he decided that it wasn't worth spending any more time on, and so they settled for $5,000. But I think this was a really low cost settlement when you consider that $5,000 went to the plaintiffs. He said he only paid out a couple of thousand, and that's because the lawyer agreed to represent a group all at once for a flat fee. So that is one way that you could potentially lower your cost of settlement, is to group together and see if there are other local businesses that have been targeted in litigation. That's unconventional, but in this instance, it probably saved the original poster, the small business, a few $1,000s. So that was very effective. But I wanted to relay this story because and I'll link to the Reddit thread below. But you can see how this unfolded and the final settlement amount, and also it sheds light on an unconventional way to approach defense, but one that netted the defendant a few $1,000s in the end.